Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on how to create, edit, and delete polygons for fish species within an image. In order to get to your edit screen, you have to select images to edit. You can select images to edit from either your private collection image listing or from the team image listing. Once you've selected your images, and you can tell that they're selected because the white box has turned blue with a white check mark in it, you will click on the edit button. And then you will be transferred to the edit screen. Here, I'm going to go through picture by picture on how to delete, edit, and create polygons. Here in this first picture, you can see that the object recognition model has placed two polygons in this image, and there's only one fish in the image. Therefore, we will delete the polygon that is of the person's hand. In order to do so, you have to highlight the polygon thumbnail that you wish to delete. In this case, it's the first polygon thumbnail, and you can see that it's highlighted because it is shaded in pale blue. And you can see on the screen that the only polygon that is still showing is the polygon thumbnail for which you selected. Here you can see there are two action buttons. There's a square with an arrow through it, which will allow you to edit this polygon, or there's a trash can, which will allow you to delete that polygon. That polygon has now been deleted from that image. We go to our second image, and we can see here that we need to add a polygon for the second fish in the image. We have one polygon here, and we would like to add another polygon here. In order to add a polygon to an image, the image thumbnail has to be highlighted. That is the top thumbnail for that image. So the image thumbnail is then followed by the polygon thumbnails underneath it. With the image thumbnail highlighted, you're going to select one of these three polygon creating tools. The circle will let you draw a circle. You can clear that. A rectangle will allow you to draw a rectangle. And then you can move it the polygon points around the fish to fit the fish if you wish. You also have the option to recalculate this rectangle using the object recognition model to recalculate that polygon so it's a better fit around the fish. And then the third option is to use the select tool, which will allow you to create a polygon using the object recognition model from the beginning. And then you can move some pinpoints closer so the object recognition model has a better understanding of where this fish is. And you're going to recalculate. And you can keep moving the polygon points around, and you can keep using the recalculate button as much as you wish. I'm going to recalculate again. I'm going to hit it again and see what happens. Okay, so we're not getting a whole lot further. So then I'm just going to move the polygon points around the fish. And this is essentially how we edit the polygon as well. So we've created this polygon, and now we are editing the polygon that we have created. And you can pick up the polygon points and place them anywhere on the fish that you desire. You can also create new polygon points by grabbing anywhere on the polygon line and dragging it and dropping the points. You can create as many new polygon points as you wish. However, you cannot delete polygon points. There is an undo button. So if you've made a mistake or if you have hit recalculate one too many times, you can undo changes that you've made. You can redo changes that you have made. You can clear your canvas. And you can zoom in on the image. And then you can use your drag, enable drag button, which is right here, to move the image around so that the section of the polygon that you're working on is in the center of your screen. Disabling the drag will disable the drag and bring the mouse point back to your screen. Before you click anywhere else on your screen outside of the image, you want to make sure you click on the orange Save button. This will save any changes that you've made to a polygon. And now that we've created this polygon, you will see that this image now has 2 polygon thumbnails, one for each polygon. One for the polygon that we just created, and the second for the polygon that was originally created with the object recognition model. Reset the canvas position. We'll reset the canvas position to the original size of the image. As you can see here, this first image, the polygon is named Blue Catfish. And in these second and third images, these polygons don't have names. We can tag these polygons with the fish species by highlighting or selecting the polygon thumbnail and then typing here in the search bar the fish species name. Clicking on the name and then clicking on the Save button. And you can see now the dash has now turned to Blue Catfish. To just edit a polygon that is already existing from the object recognition model, you are going to select the polygon thumbnail that you'd like to edit, and you're going to use this first action button, which is edit the polygon. And the polygon will go from a unbroken polygon line to a line with all these polygon points on it. You can then zoom in, enable your drag, and begin to edit your polygon. Again, by just clicking on the polygon points and dragging them to where you wish for them to be. As well, you can grab anywhere on the polygon line and create new polygon points. Again, please know that if you create new polygon points, you cannot delete them. You will then click Save to save your changes. Again, these polygons are not saved with fish species, so you may go ahead and do so by clicking on the polygon image thumbnail, typing the name. If it's the same name, it should still be pulled up. But if it's a new fish species, you'll have to type in the new name, selecting it, and then click on Save. Thank you for joining the tutorial video on how to create, edit, and delete polygons within an image.